Shifting our focus to West Bengal, where now West Bengal police have now arrested over 100 people in connection with the violence that broke out in the Muslim-dominated Murshidabad district during a protest over the Waqf Act. Multiple vehicles, including police vans, were torched, projectiles were launched at security personnel. Now West Bengal DGP has warned perpetrators that violence will not be tolerated in the district. The disturbances were engulfed in Malda, Murshidabad, South 24 Parganas and Hooghly districts of West Bengal. Over this, now political slugfest has also erupted between the BJP-TMC, with the BJP saying that this is the result of Mamata Banerjee's appeasement politics, while the TMC refutes this charge. Sample the reactions coming in.
People are not allowed to come on the streets and take law in their own hands. That is not acceptable. And that we will deal very, very strong. No one, irrespective of who he is, or the miscreant, we will deal with them as strongly as possible. In case if people take law into their hands and do violence and this kind of thing, if they will indulge in, we will deal it with as strongly as possible. This is a time of not scoring points. This is a time of not, the lives of people are at stake.
देखिए, ममता बनर्जी की शय पे सारा सम्मेलन हो रहा है। ममता बनर्जी करा रही है। उनको चाहिए कि मुस्लिम वोट का पोलराइजेशन करना चाहती है और उसके साथ साथ आगे आने वाले चुनाव में मुस्लिम पोलराइजेशन का लाभ लेना चाहती है। और उसके साथ साथ ये जो करप्शन हुई है, जिसमें 22 लाख 23 लाख लोग जुबा जिसमें वंचित हुए, 26,000 की तो नौकरी चली गई, वंचित हुए 22 लाख, इस सबसे इसको दबाने के लिए और यहाँ से दृष्टि घुमाने के लिए पूरा साजिश चल रहा है ममता बनर्जी के द्वारा। एकदम 355 अगर जरूरी हिंदुओं को बचाने के लिए जरूरी हो तो 355, 356 ये किसी के शादी के लिए बचाने के लिए रखा हुआ है क्या? 355, 356 जरूरत पड़ेगी हिंदुओं को बचाने के लिए तो सरकार को करना पड़ेगा।
टारगेटेड वायलेंस हो रहा है, जिस वायलेंस को ममता बनर्जी, ममता बंदोपाध्याय जो होम मिनिस्टर है, जो पुलिस मिनिस्टर है और जो चीफ मिनिस्टर है, वो उस वायलेंस को एनकरेज कर रही है, सपोर्ट कर रही है और इंसाइट कर रही है। द वायलेंस इन बंगाल, द टारगेटेड एंटी हिंदू वायलेंस इन बंगाल, इसको ममता बनर्जी का संरक्षण है।
মুর্শিদাবাদের শামসারগঞ্জ এলাকায় এই মুহূর্তে এক সাম্প্রদায়িক উত্তেজনার বাতাবরণ বিরাজ করছে, যেখানে সংঘর্ষ হয়েছে, লুটপাট হয়েছে এবং উভয় সম্প্রদায়ের মানুষ উত্তেজিতভাবে একে অপরের বিরুদ্ধে তারা মুখোমুখি রুখে দাঁড়ানোর কথা ভাবছে। এখনো পর্যন্ত পুলিশ সেভাবে মোকাবেলা করতে নামতে পারেনি। আমি মুর্শিদাবাদের পুলিশকে বলবো, আপনারা মোকাবেলা করতে দ্রুত নামুন, কারণ সবাই জানে মুর্শিদাবাদ, মালদা এগুলো সেন্সিটিভ এরিয়া, সবাই জানে, প্রশাসন জানে। তা সত্ত্বেও কেন প্রশাসন এখনো পর্যন্ত সক্রিয় হতে পারছে না, আমার প্রশ্ন।
And now the TMC is reacting that the BJP passed the Waqf bill in the dead of the night in Parliament, and after that they have been busy stoking fires of communalism across various states. You can see the reaction coming up on the screens as well. Derek O'Brien has put up a post on social media platform X where he is blaming the BJP government behind the violence that is taking place in Murshidabad and other districts in West Bengal. My colleague Shreyoshi will be joining me for more details. If I can go to Shreyoshi. Shreyoshi, can you confirm the number of people who have been arrested in this case so far? And while the DGP has issued a warning that violence will not be tolerated and this is not the time for political scoring, the bitter battle between the parties continue.
Well, the police has confirmed 118 people have been arrested in Murshidabad for the violence that has taken place since yesterday. The police have also said that they had to open fire 4 rounds and 2 youth have been injured. They are hospitalized but out of danger. But more importantly, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has appealed for peace. She has put up a post on her social media page in Bengali asking the people not to retaliate in the state against the work passed in Parliament and is now a law, and also stated that it won't people that face in the that first time has come on record to say that the Waqf law will not be that Murshidabad and Malda are both minority dominated districts.
With you, as your line is a bit patchy, we'll try and reconnect with you in a moment. But so far, the political slugfest that is ongoing in West Bengal is between who is responsible for the violence that is erupting after the Waqf Act has been passed in the parliament. The TMC claims that the BJP is responsible for stoking communal fires, while the BJP and the Congress party are blaming the TMC and Mamata Banerjee's appeasement politics in the state.